Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to find friends in a specific city in Facebook. Do you want to find your any friend from a specific city on Facebook? Finding friends on Facebook isn't too tricky when searching for someone's name. But what happens when you need to narrow down your friend's city? Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't make finding friends in a specific city easy. But it's not impossible. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find your friends on Facebook by searching the city. The Android and iOS version of Facebook are exactly the same. All you need to do, open the Facebook app and tap on the search icon at the top. Type your friend's name at the top. Tap on search, and here you will find a lot of options. From there, select people. Here you will find all the people who matches the name. Now choose the filter icon in the upper right corner. Select city from the menu at the bottom of the page. Now type the name of the city where you are looking for your friend. You can also filter by education, work, friend of friend. Okay, now tap on show results. Review the list that appear for your friend. By this way, you can find your friend in a specific city in Facebook. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please share this video to your friends to help them. Thanks for watching this video.